The hips are slightly off to the left as you draw your knees in towards you. Lengthen through your spine and send your knees over to the right. Depending on your practice, you can use props if they're nearby. You can place them beneath the knees, so pillows, blocks, bolsters, or folded towels. Just bringing the ground a little bit closer to your legs. Any low back sensitivities, you can place the block between the knees, just to create some space for your lower back. You can also place props both beneath and between, if that feels best today. Those props are optional. You're always welcome to allow the body to land wherever it chooses to, and just let gravity do the work for you. Maybe hugging